Well, hello. Oh my. We're going to play a game simulator. This used to be my favorite game. I used to play every single day. And just bubble and hatch eggs. And then now I just relax and trade all my pets away. Oh look, it's my friend. I'm in an OP server. Yeah, my friend is super OP. I'm kinda garbage. Such very garbage. Yep. He really just made that. Wow, that's pretty good. Okay. And do you know what I noticed? If I come over here, Markbox, what happened? I joined your server. Watch, I'll even show you that. I'll even show you that. I even show you that. Look, let me show. Oh, never mind. It's on my other computer. Yeah. Yeah, so I can't really do it. I'm talking to my friend. He just said, he's saying he might offer for the Elite Challenger. That's dope, my guy. That's dope. I'm gonna tell him I'm making vids now. I traded it was pretty good. Yeah, I traded it all away because I'm trying to help the noobs. Yeah. Trade me again for some reason. Well, I missed it. And the second place person is now first, 655 gold, and then Lava Doomslide was third, and he just did him. And that's a big oof for Markbox. I wish I can show you what happened. Well, I wish I can show you that I was in a server, but I can't really. And I might tell my friend that I'm a YouTube I make YouTube videos. Cause he didn't know that. I'm telling him right now. See what it says. See what it says. This is him right here. And he didn't know I'm recording. No. Dude, let's see what he says. See what he says. He said, like what? What do you mean, like what? Oh shoot, he's gonna see you for the first time. Well, I should have deleted some of my old videos that were boring and just like stupid. He just said, like what? Random stuff. Stop. Let's go. You're gonna break it. What are you doing? I don't know. It's stupid. Get off